What are the biggest challenges to sustainability in digital and IT? There are a number of common challenges within sustainability for digital and IT. The novelty of the topic, as well as a lack of knowledge, competencies, and awareness about sustainability can create roadblocks in our organization. It's also worth remembering that sustainability cannot be achieved by one organization alone. Success depends on collaboration, including between third parties. Another frequent problem is the lack of quick wins in sustainability. It can often be difficult to advocate change when stakeholders can't see outputs other than the long-term benefits. Employees may also resist changes, though this is often because they do not believe they are capable of having an impact on the overall sustainability of their organization. A lack of integration between sustainability and IT functions can make this absence of awareness even worse. Finally, there can often be high levels of ambiguity and complexity in sustainability. Put simply, it's hard to measure the results of our decisions. As digital and IT continue to evolve rapidly, it's extremely difficult to predict the impact of our work in areas like sustainability. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.